In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install PHP latest version, and that is 8.5. First of all, you have to go to the browser. So let's go to the browser. Type here PHP download. Hit enter, and here you can see www.php.net. So click here PHP downloads, and here you can see we have PHP 8.5, and this is the latest version. So just scroll a little bit down and go for the threads version and click here zip to download the zip file. I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it once again. Let me show you how you can actually install it. Go to the download folder, and here you will find this zip file. Now extract the file here. Here we have extracted the file. Now let's just rename it. Now change it to PHP 8.5. Now cut it from here and keep it in a safe place. So I have created a different drive, webtech. So I'm going to actually keep it in the webtech. So this is the PHP 8.5 unzipped folder. Now we will actually go inside this folder, and here we have php.exe. If you don't see the extension, you just have to actually click here in the view and then click here show, and then you have to check it, file name extension. So now we have php.exe here. Now I have to actually select here in the address bar. Now copy this and now go for the home button, and here you have to type env, and you will find this option, edit the system environment variables. Click here open to open this. Now here we have environment variables option. Here you can see setup and recovery. Now click here, and here you will find system variables and then path under system variables. Okay, now click here edit, and here we are going to add the path we have copied from the address bar, and here we go. Now we press OK, OK, and OK. Fine. Now let's go for the CMD. Open it and say here php-v to get the PHP current version. Here you can see PHP 8.5 is the current version, and we have it globally. It means now we have actually installed PHP in our PC. Now we can actually create project, PHP project, okay, and we can run it. So guys, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.